Hello, my name is Shreyash, and today we will be giving you our progress for our Wanderlust chatbot. We have added some exciting features this time. Last time we showed you how our website can lead you to a Google map and where you can see different places. Like, let's say if I type my address, it will show you the direction from your current location. So this was the feature that we added last time. This time we are adding a new feature where user can enter its reviews and they can communicate with each other by forming this community of having reviews of different places. So to achieve this, we have added a reviews tab. So if you want to add any of the reviews, let's say uh, drums and whiskers, you can enter your reviews, friendly cats, and then you can give some ratings, which I want to five. It says we will added successfully, and then we go back. You can see the terms and scores. We have a review with rating 5. So our website is updated uh, as per our last progress, and we have also added a new feature to our chatbot. Now we can support voice. So in this progress, what we have done is we have added a capability of showing the action of the chatbot as well as the user. Let me explain what I mean. So in the italics, you can see Wanderlust Willow's avatar pops up on the screen. So this is the action that our chatbot will be performing. Now let me show you how the action can be helpful when a user types it. So this is one of the example that we will be trying. So as you can see, I have put asterisks, and in the asterisks, I have put taking a break from a long session of online. So this is the action that chatbot will understand. And then the message will be going to chatbot that can you recommend a relaxing way to spend the evening. So as you can see, chatbot can understand that we are tired because of our long session. So it gives you options based on. And we have also added a UI element in our Gradio web UI where you get options to check activate TTS, play TTS automatically, TTS as in text to speech, and then show message under text under the audio player. And you also get option to select the voice assistants. And we also added API key from our ElevenLabs. We will show you how we have created this web UI later. Uh, as per previous update, we also support the text. Let's say if I want to add the image to our model, I can select image from my local computer, and then it gets added, and the chatbot will try to understand what's given in the image, and based on that, it will help you answer your query and give you the best response for your trip. So you can see chatbot has given a cat lover. I see. Let me find you some cafes in Los Angeles where you can indulge your felon obsession with sipping on a delicious cup of coffee. You can also regenerate your response. So as you can see, our chatbot can understand your intentions based on your images, and we have created the character of our chatbot in such a way that it will be acting as a travel agent. Let me show you how we have able to achieve that. So so these are the character development that we have added as an instruction to our chatbot, where you can see the asterisk implements the action that chatbot will be performing. So, for example, actions like if a user types, if I'm interested in adventure in Los Angeles, any suggestions, it will be thinking as I'm searching, and then it will answer, let's create a city Angeles adventure. Then user ask another question, then it will say, it would do an action of finding timings, searching local cuisines, making reservations, finalizing dates. So this helps the user and the chatbot to show what actions they are doing, and based on that, they will give you. Now we'll see how we have created the reviews page, and we will show you how we were able to add new reviews on our web.
So as we added the new feature here in our chatbot website is to the reviews. So we have created a separate banner as you have seen in the previous demo that we can see the review section just right after the recommended places. So here we have added a footer section. So here you can see a footer is added for the reviews. So it adds the stylings and however the background that we want, like which aligns with the previous styling of the other tiles present on the website. And here, as we have also included a star rating, like instead of just displaying a numeric rating, we have incorporated a star rating as well. And here we are using the function prompt function review. So when the user actually clicks on the review, it gets back to this call function prompt review, and where the user can enter the name of the place, like his or her review and the ratings. And after this function, like the star rating gets called and it will be displayed. And so in order to store all the reviews, we are actually using the Flask at the backend. So when the actually website runs and when the user actually gives the reviews and all. So the Flask redirects it to the get review function. And here in the Flask, once the reviews and the submit reviews functions get executed, it returns the reviews to get displayed on the website. So as we can see here, this is the display review function. Once the Flask returns the reviews entered by the user, so here the fetch get reviews is a route to the Flask. And once the Flask returns the JSON formatted strings of all the user's response, it will be displayed on the website down in the banner. And these are the various styles and review stylings and features that we have added for better user
Let's move on to the our code for adding the voice feature.
So the new feature that we have added is text to audio. This is a very important and a unique feature, and it's very much useful as well. So let's say the output is a very big para, and obviously it's boring to read a very big para. So and our chatbot will convert the text to audio, and meanwhile you can do some other activity. So you can do multitasking as well. So let me go through over this code to tell you about it. So we have used the ElevenLabs library. We have imported it for this function. And then we are setting few attributes. That is API key. We have created an account in ElevenLabs and we have got a free version of API key for that. And we're using the selected voice as Bella. We can use multiple other voices as well. And we're using the model as 11 monolingual as in single language. We can use other models such as 11 multilingual as in several languages as a model as well. And then we are setting autoplay as true and show underscore text as true. I'll tell you about this a little later. And if we have other API keys, we can use this function to update it. And then we are using the voice as the selected voice as well. We can use other voices also using this function that we have written here. Then later on, we are within this function toggle underscore text underscore in underscore history. So here this function saves the audio generated in our history, which we can download it later. And then um, here we have also given a path where the audio file gets saved. And then we're using Gradle UI as an interface. So in this interface, we have three checkboxes with activity ETS, which means text to audio speech. And then with these three checkboxes have been clicked true, and we have set it to be true as shown earlier, show underscore text as true. And then we have a drop down where we can choose the selected voices. And also we can have a text box where we can enter a different API key. So this is our code that we have written to convert the text to audio. I hope you like the model. Thank you.